All right. So before I do an upgrade, I logged into my GitLab instance so that I could see what version I'm on. And it says that I'm on 17.9.1. And that's important because since we're holding the package, we need to make sure that we install the correct packages. GitLab, unlike a lot of, well, maybe not like a lot of packages, GitLab is one of those you have to install certain packages to get to the latest and greatest. Okay. And one of the things that I do after I get it to the latest and greatest is I use a command that we'll go look at now called apt-mark. All right. So I'm on my Raspberry Pi that is running GitLab. And to save some time, I ran app update so that it goes out, talks to all the different repos, and tells me what the latest and greatest is. And just to kind of show you guys that I am running GitLab on here, I'm going to run the following command. Now we know we need to upgrade to the latest and greatest. We know we're running 17.9.1. So I'm going to do apt-list pipe grep. And this is a great way for you guys to learn how to see which version of a package you have installed. And I'll type GitLab CE, which means Community Edition, and I'm going to hit enter. Okay, and it should come back, and it looks like for Bookworm, which is the version of Raspbian OS I am running, okay, I can go to 18.5.0, but as like I told you guys, I am on 17.9.1. So what I do, guys, is every time I upgrade to what I think the latest and greatest is, I use this command, sudo apt-mark, okay, and then I put the package that I need held so it doesn't get upgraded. I use a hold command, but for right now, we just want to show that the GitLab is being held so it won't get upgraded. And it is. So I'm going to go ahead and type the command to unlock it, which is unhold GitLab-ce. So it's sudo apt-mark unhold the package that you want to release so that you can update it. Okay, now I can update it. Now, let me show you an awesome page that GitLab support came out with a few years ago that I've been using, and I wanted to show it off to you guys so that you can use it. Okay, before we type up the current version, you need to select which version you're running. I'm running CE, or better known as Community Edition. We know that it's 17.9. And you could select from the down drop menu, or you can type it out, okay, until it shows. I'm running Raspbian OS, which Ubuntu is similar to because they're both based on Debian. And we do want to get to 18.5. I'm not going to worry about this other stuff over here because, one, I'm not using any of that stuff, okay? We're going to hit go. It's giving us some warnings that there's a potential indexing issue in Postgres SQL. Okay. Open SSL version 3 will be updated. And they introduced new encryption with multi-nodes in 17.8. So we're all good. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down here to see how many packages I need to upgrade. And it's saying for me to get to 18.5, I need to go to 17.11.7 first, 18.2.8 next, and then 18.5.0 last. I'm going to hit this button to press copy. It's now on my clipboard, and I'm going to go over to mobile xterm, and I'm going to start the upgrades. All right, guys, so we're back over at mobile xterm. We have in our clipboard the version we need to go upgrade to, so I'm going to go ahead and paste that in, because the nice thing about mobile xterm is it does let you do that. And now, so not to bore you guys, I'm going to go ahead and upgrade all the way to 18.5. When I come back, I will show you how to lock it, and I'll show you how to verify it. So we'll go ahead, kick this off, and I forgot to do the most important thing. I forgot to run it with sudo. So we'll go ahead and let this go. All right. Okay. I just saved you guys probably an hour and 15 minutes from upgrading from 17.9.1 to 18.5.0. And even with Video Magic, it would have been painful. We're probably talking close to 10 minutes of this music playing. So anyway, just to show you guys, we're going to do app list, and then we'll do grep GitLab CE, and we'll put in our password. Oops, that was me. Sorry about that. And we are now at the latest and greatest. So we're going to use apt-mark one more time. And we're going to tell it to hold. And now it's on hold. So anytime I do an update, it will not try to update GitLab Community Edition. And the reason I do that, again, guys, is so I can make sure I can control it. Because as we stated, okay, earlier, you know, I could wait a month or so, and they could be 3 or 4 versions ahead of me. So this one more thing to verify it, and then we'll end the video. Okay, we are back on our GitLab admin page, and see, look, 18.5.0 with all the bell and whistles. So I hope this is something new for you guys, the apt-mark. It is a very useful tool. The equivalent in Red Hat is yum lock, okay, yum version lock, and it's a quite useful tool. Okay, until next time, guys, this is TerrorPUP wishing you all the best and peace.